Hey guys, Zach over here. Welcome to YouTube channel. Sorry, sorry I didn't review Welcome to YouTube channel last night. Today I'm going to review this Tom's book. It says your favorite Tom's Education story question. It says 10 classic stories. It says Thomas in trouble, Pussy runs away. Thomas in a breakdown train. Edward, Gordon and Henry. Thomas goes fishing. James and the Troubles on Trucks. Going off the rails. Thomas down the mine. Thomas and Bertie, and Thomas and the Trucks. And take a look at the Thomas face. Thomas tired, exhausted. Thomas tired face with Percy exhausted, tired face. Then take a look at the Thomas tired face with Thomas. Sorry, I didn't say that. And take a look at the Thomas tired face and the Percy face. That was so weird to look at. Yeah. Look at the Thomas tired face with Percy tired face. That was so weird to look at. Take a look at the Topham Hatt. The picture of the Topham Hatt from a VHS tape called James Learns a Lesson. And take a look at the start of the episode from Thomas and Bertie and the Great Race. There's a picture of Thomas and Bertie from, hang on. There's a picture of Thomas and Bertie from the episode Bertie's Chase. And that was it. Let's end it here. Let's look at the cover, shall we? There's a picture of Thomas. There's a picture of Thomas. Here's the front. Here's this. Here's the spine. With the blue banner. And the back. There's a picture of James, Gordon, Henry, Edward, and Percy. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in August. Goodbye and have a nice day.